Have you ever wanted to make your presentations more eye-catching by putting pictures into fun shapes? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on Google Slides. So whether you're jazzing up a project or just getting creative, this trick will make your slides pop. First, open Google Slides and sign into your Google account. If you don't have one yet, it's free and easy to set up. Once you're in, create a new presentation, either blank for a clean slate or pick a theme that fits your style. For this tutorial, we'll go with a blank slide so we can focus on the technique. Next, it's time to add your image. Click on the Insert tab, then Image, and choose where your picture is coming from, your computer, Google Drive, or even a web search. Once your image is on the slide, select it to unlock the editing options. Here comes the fun part. Look for the crop tool in the top menu. It looks like a little angled V. Click the small arrow next to it and select Mask Image. This opens a menu of shapes you can use, from basic circles and squares to arrows, to callouts, and even symbols. For today, let's pick the circle. Boom! Your picture is now perfectly cropped into a circle. You can adjust its size and move it around by dragging the corners or the image itself. Want to tweak the crop inside the shape? Just double click and adjust the internal handles until it's exactly how you want it. And that's it. You can repeat this process with multiple slides and try different shapes to create a visually striking presentation. Experiment with sizes and arrangements. This is a simple way to make your slides feel professional and polished. Now you know how to put pictures into multiple shapes in Google Slides. It's quick, easy, and a fun way to make your presentation stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.